You want to learn a new skill that can help you to make more money online or start your own online business, or maybe update your CV so that you can get better opportunities. Learning AI is one of the best things that you can take advantage of today. In this video, I'm going to show you 11 free courses that you can sign up for today that can teach you how to use AI. Not only will you be learning, but then you also can get a certification, meaning that you'll actually have real proof that you learned the skill, and it might help you to get some opportunities down the line. Now, rather than you paying for some expensive diploma or online degree, you can actually take these courses, learn the skills in a short space of time, and then position yourself to be someone who's going to be earning more money by using AI. Now, in case you don't actually know me and you're wondering what qualifies me to know whether these courses actually work, my name is Marsha Malaba, and I have been earning money for years using online methods. In the past few months alone, I've learned how to make money online using AI specifically. Now, this is my website, and if I just come here and I change this to all time, you'll see that in the past couple of months, I've earned over $34,000 by using AI to create opportunities for myself. Now, I've gone ahead and created a full document for you where you'll be able to get access to all the links that I'm going to talk about in this video. So rather than you having to do the research, I've already done the research for you, as you can see here. So all you simply need to do is just continue watching this video, because later on, I'm going to tell you exactly where you can get access to this document, download it for free, and then you can go and check out the websites for yourself. But before we actually get into the free courses, I do want to mention that I do have a coaching program where I actually coach people and show them how I personally earn money using AI. It's called the 5-Day Challenge, where for 5 days, I teach you specifically how to earn money selling digital products. Examples of digital products are PDFs, ebooks, audio files, and video courses. In this 5-day challenge, I show you how to find ideas of what exactly you should be selling. I then show you how to actually turn it into a product people want to buy. Then I show you how to build your website where people can find that product easily. And then I show you how to find clients who want to buy that product. And then I show you lastly how to make multiple streams of income. All those 5 different lessons taught by me live on Zoom call, and you can attend from any part of the world. I'll be teaching you for 1 hour a day over 5 days and helping you to go from start to finish, so that by the end of the challenge, you actually have got a product, you actually have got a real business, and then you have got a way of getting customers. So if you're interested in that, you're going to see the first link in the description of this video. Click it and sign up for my 5-day challenge today. And so that you know upfront, it's not for free. It's going for $97 because I only want to work with serious people that want to invest in themselves. So check that link out if you want me to coach you. First course where you can actually learn AI is this one, which is called AI Fundamentals. It's by IBM. You're just simply going to come to this document and click on this link right here. It's going to bring you to this website. Now, this website offers different types of courses, and you can see all of them right here to the left, but they do have a section where they specifically offer courses related to AI. And so as you can see, you can just come here and just read through some of the things that they actually have on offer. But if I just scroll down here, you'll be able to see some of the specific AI courses. For example, you can become an AI developer, you can become a software engineer, you can become an IT engineer, data scientist, digital marketer, product designer. So there are so many different things that you'll be able to learn from the skill set that you'll be getting on this platform. And what I specifically like about this platform is that some of the courses are very straightforward and straight to the point. As you can see here, for example, some of the courses are maybe 1 hour long, meaning that you don't have to spend 30 days trying to learn something, but you can learn it in just about an hour, and then you proceed. And also, just to verify, you come here on this section of the website, you can see that they actually do offer certification. And now for you to just simply use this platform, you can just scroll up here to the top and then click here where it says start learning for free. And then you're going to come here, enter your email address, create a password, create an account, and then just proceed with the steps. I really like the fact that it's just so straightforward. It's not complicated. Even if you've never ever registered on a website before, you'll be able to follow the steps simply. Now, this next course is called AI Foundations, and it's hosted by OpenAI Academy. If you've ever used ChatGPT, this is the same company that runs and created ChatGPT. So you can just come to this link here, click it. As you can see, this is what their website actually looks like. And what I like about them is that they've got multiple courses that they're actually offering. For example, there's AI Foundations, there's Applied AI Foundations, there's Agents and Workflows. And this is one of the most in-demand skill sets at the moment, because with agents, you actually be using AI to run businesses and automating them so that humans do less work. If you want to see all their courses, just click here where it says go to all courses, and you'll be able to see all the different courses that they have on offer. Another thing that they have on this website is that they also do some live events. As you can see when you scroll here, you're able to participate in these events because people will actually be teaching you live as compared to you just learning by watching the courses. The other thing that you might also want to take advantage of is that they actually have got communities. If you click here, it says communities. Communities are where there are gatherings of people. You can just simply come, for example, this one, work users, click on go to community, and then you'll be able to interact with some other people who are learning with you. So that as you are learning, you're not just learning by yourself, but you can also ask other people questions, interact with other people, and learn together. And now let's just say that maybe you want to register for one of their courses. You just simply come and choose one of the courses, and then you click here where it says go to course. Scroll a bit down. You're going to click here where it says enroll. Follow the steps and then you will be enrolled. Also, you notice that there are a bit of details here. For example, this course is 70 minutes, which means that after 70 minutes, you're actually going to have learned this whole skill set. The next website is this one, which is called Elements of AI, and it's created by a university that's in Helsinki. So once again, you just come to this document and you're going to click right there. It's going to bring you to the website right here. And as you can see right off the bat, they tell you that they're going to be offering you free courses. Feel free to just go through the whole website, but just to show you, if I click here where it says start our courses, you see that they've got these two courses on offer. The first one is this introduction to AI, and to just join it, it's just as simple and as easy as just clicking the button. Then next, you're going to click here where it says sign up, and then these are some of the lessons that you're going to be going through. The second course is a bit more advanced to this introduction, but it's just the same process for you to go through it. Now, another great feature on their website is that they actually have got an online community, just like I explained for the previous one. But at least this one, you can actually see what's actually happening in the community. For example, there are different people who are coming in and then they are just leaving their feedback or they're asking questions. And so you can just also just simply, for example, come in here, show your support for whatever the comment is, and then you can actually click here and leave a comment. You can ask questions, you can contribute, and that's one of the best ways that you can actually learn, by having this community where you're interacting with other people. Now, even as we proceed with the video, do me a favor and let me know in the comment section, what's the number one skill you're hoping to learn with AI? I'm going to read all the comments, and if I've got some feedback or some advice, I'm going to share it back with you on your comment. The next place where you can learn courses is from Learning with Claude, AI Fluency and Claude. This is the exact company that created Claude. If you've never used Claude before, it's just like ChatGPT, but in my honest opinion, it's way better than ChatGPT. You're just going to come here and click on the link. And as you can see, these are the courses that are hosted by Anthropic. And all their courses, in fact, there are many of them, they are all based on the Claude platform itself. And trust me, this is one of the best out of this whole list of places where you can actually learn courses. For example, there's this one here, which is Introduction to Claude Cowork. Claude Cowork allows you to be able to use Claude to run multiple different things on your laptop, in your business, without you having to get involved. It interacts with so many different platforms, and trust me, it makes work a whole lot easier. If you can learn this one skill here, it's going to create so many opportunities for you. But as you can see, I'm just scrolling and scrolling. There are so many different courses that they have on offer. You just simply come here and choose what's most relevant to you. I'd recommend starting off with the one at the top, the Claude 101, so that you can understand how the Claude platform actually works. And then you just proceed to go and choose the one that makes the most sense for you to learn here. Now, bear in mind that they will need you to have a Claude account, but you can actually work on using the free plan. They do have a paid plan, but just to get started, the free plan is actually good enough. If you were to ask me my recommendation of out of all these places to learn, where should I start? I would say start right here. The next place where you can get courses is this one, which is called huggingface.co, and they specialize in AI agents. So I'm just going to click on this link and show you what that actually looks like. Their course is straightforward. They help and teach you how to create AI agents. If you don't know what an AI agent is, just to give you an example, let's just say that maybe you are trying to find someone who is a plumber who can come and fix something in your house. You go to Google, you find a website, you try and call that business, and no one answers their phone. This is a common problem because lots of people who offer services like plumbing, they are never available because they're actually doing the job and they don't have time to be answering their phones. So you can actually create an AI agent, meaning that when people phone, they talk to an AI robot. That AI robot asks them a couple of questions. It finds out their location. It finds out what the problem is, finds out when they're available so that someone can drive to them and then assess the problem or actually fix it. That's what you call an AI agent. It behaves just like a normal human being, but the difference is that it can hold multiple calls at the same time. And it works all the time, 24/7, but it does the job that a normal human being would do, except that it doesn't get tired. It's always working all the time, and it does the job more efficiently. So if you can learn how to do that for different companies and industries, you can make a lot of money for yourself. So that's what this course is basically about. And so it's actually quite straightforward. As you can see, this is what you'll be learning inside of the course. You'll be learning the frameworks. And if you just keep scrolling down, you'll be able to see all the details for yourself. The sign-up process is quite simple. You're just going to click here, it says sign up for the course. Then you click here, continue to destination. Then you're going to come here and enter all your details, and then you proceed. Then the next place to learn courses is on Cloud Skill Boost. These are courses that are actually designed and created by Google itself. So I'm just going to click here and show you what that looks like. They mainly focus on teaching you courses that you can learn that interact directly with Google itself. And they do have a couple of courses, for example, Introduction to Generative AI. Then they've got Introduction to Language Models. By language models, we mean things like ChatGPT. It explains how they work, how ChatGPT, how Claude works. Introduction to Responsible AI, meaning that if you learn this, you're going to be one of the people that make sure that AI does not take over the world. That's if you've watched Terminator and you believe that one day AI can possibly take over everything. And then there's prompt design and agent platforms. And then there's this one, which is Responsible AI, where you'll be applying the principles with Google Cloud. Now, you notice that these courses are super short. This one is 45, 1 hour, 15 minutes, 2 hours, 1 hour. So these are skill sets that you can actually learn in a very short space of time. And then you're going to get some certification once you are done. To be able to learn on this platform, you just simply need to click here where it says join. It's going to ask you if you've got a Gmail account. You just associate that Gmail account with this platform. You just proceed to follow the steps, and then you'll be able to get started in just a couple of minutes. This next one is specifically for business professionals, and it's hosted or created by HP. HP, the ones who design laptops and computers. When you click the link, you can see that it's specifically AI for business professionals. And just to show you some of the things that you actually be learning in this, you get an introduction to AI, standalone AI tools, tools with integrated AI features, implementation, and next steps. So think of it this way: if you're a business professional, they're basically showing you how you can use AI to make your life easier, or to make what you normally do on a day-to-day basis simpler and easier using AI. Now, as you can see right here, they say that their course is not more than 90 minutes and it's self-paced, meaning that you're going to be learning by yourself. And to sign up for this, you can just click here at the top. It says join for free, or click here where it says enroll. Next, you're going to put your email address, create a password. Next, you're going to come here where it says you are a new user. Click on that, put your email. They'll probably send you a link to verify your email, put a password, and then you're good to go. Now, this next one, you're going to be learning using the LinkedIn platform. LinkedIn is a social media platform. Most business professionals actually use this, but this one kind of has a catch. It requires you to have a LinkedIn premium account, but it's free if you do exactly what I'm going to show you. So if you just click on the link, it's going to bring you here. And as you can see, you get all these different courses that you can learn using LinkedIn Learning. But you'll notice it says that you can start with a free month. So I personally don't pay for LinkedIn Premium, but if I wanted to learn courses on this platform, I'll just come here and register for a free month, learn as much as I can, and then I'm going to cancel my subscription before. But if you want to go ahead and continue paying for it, that's fine. I'm just showing you the free method of actually using this. So just to show you, like, for example, some of the courses that are actually there: artificial intelligence for project managers. And then if I keep scrolling, you see there's human-generated leadership in the age of AI. And if I scroll some more, you're eventually going to find more AI-related courses. So you just simply need to search for them. See what's relevant to you, what you need to learn. If you're ready to start learning, sign up for a free month and then start learning. Also, if you look right here to the left, you notice that they give this trending topic section. Here's artificial intelligence. If I click that, I guess all the courses for AI are then listed here. So just simply scroll through them and find what's relevant to you. Now, this next one is actually hosted and created by Microsoft itself. Yes, Microsoft, the company that does tech stuff like computers, softwares, and basically it walks you through the fundamentals of how AI works. So you're going to click the link and immediately start learning. The main difference from this one and all the other ones that I've shown you is that here, you don't need to log in or register for anything. You can just simply scroll down, identify the course, for example, Generative AI for Beginners, click on that. And as you can see, you are already inside of the learning area. So you're just going to be reading through and learning. So you just read, it's full of different links to different things that they're teaching you and showing you. But now if I scroll down here and I come to where it says each lesson includes, if I click on that, brings me to this section. As you can see, they've got some places where they've got videos and then some places where they're still yet to make the video. But if I click it, this is what it actually looks like. So they explain everything to you, but in text format. So your job is just to simply read through, learn, understand how it works. And that's how you're going to be learning these fundamentals of AI. Myself personally, I'm someone who loves watching video content. I'm a visual learner. But if you enjoy reading and you don't mind going through all the various different links, this platform would be a good one for you. This next one specializes specifically in stuff like app development and website design. It's called Free Code Camp. Let's click the link. And as you can see, they've got certificates and courses in different things. For example, responsive website design, JavaScript, front-end development, etc., etc. But then if we just scroll down, that's when we start seeing the different AI-related courses.